This project started in 2015.
We have been trying to find a solution to prevent the child from slumping their head forward when they fall asleep in their car seat.
There are three specific issues that can arise from the head slumping over as a child is in a car seat. The first is the pinching of the trachea. The next is hyperextension of the neck. The third problem associated with the head pinching is in the event of a collision, it would better protect the child from having that either bounce back very aggressively and smacking their head on the back of the car seat, or from immediately hitting their head to their chest. Both are two very detrimental things to the child's brain because of airflow, and also their muscles aren't as strong, so an impact like that does much more damage.
Looking at the kids and sleeping on their slump position when you're driving, it's very emotional because every time that you turn or every time that you push on the brake, their head actually is rotating around their neck, and this is a very uncomfortable position. All we're trying to do at the end of the day is to design a safer car seat for our kids. Last year, we had a group of the undergraduate students working together to design the wristband that is going to go around the baby's wrist and monitor their heart rate. When the baby is trying to fall asleep, their heart rate will drop. We can actually have the babies in the car seats and not stop the car with pushing a button on your smart device. You're basically changing the car seat from the sit-up position to the sleep position.
We're trying to find a reclining mechanism to use to design the car seat. The first design we went with was a flexible track, which you can see right here. But then we found that the flexible track was a no-go. So we decided to go with a 4-bar mechanism, which looks more like this. It has a full 360 range of motion, and this is what we used for this model right here. We have this spring right here as the baby's neck, just to simulate the whole slumping position. But the car seat's range of motion looks like this. This is the upright position, and a reclined would look like this. These researchers give them the two flavor of the mechanical. First, they can do the research, which is where they can build the model in the computer and look at the analysis or let's say, the effect of the forces within the computer, which has, by all means, is giving them a very good opportunity to learn those softwares, and they will use it later on wherever that they go. Bring the biology and then combine it with the knowledge of their mechanical engineering. It was something unique that all these students were interested on it. What they learn in here is basically, first of all, they have a one-to-one meeting, which in many cases will provide them with a better education, will provide them with more information. By going through this research, they kind of build up their leadership skills as well. It also it will give them an actual product. At the end of the day, we are trying to design a motorized car seat. So with the getting advantage of having the 3D printer and building all these little pieces and putting them together, they will learn how to make the actual product.
Being able to conduct research, especially going into junior year, is extremely beneficial for teaching me the other side of the curriculum where I'm actually applying what I've learned, which is leading me to want to pursue a master's in biomedical or biomechanical engineering.
Everyone, if given the opportunity, should take part in research projects just because you learn so much more. I'm currently an intern at Siemens Healthineers, and they hired me because of my experience with one of their programs that we use here for 3D modeling. I have been able to test my modeling skills here, and I've been able to use that at work, and I've been helping other people with modeling as well. It's definitely a great opportunity.